New Polly Pocket blind box. 1 compact, 1 doll, 1 vehicle, and 3 accessories. This looks like a code. I really want either this basket with berries or this one. Cat one's cute, but I see it on the front and I just want a different one. Okay, let's see. So cute, they're like condiment packets. Got the cat burger. Kind of had a feeling. Cute. Has stars on it. This lettuce. I thought it was soft, but I don't think so. So cute and tiny. It comes with this little French fry core, the cat head. Cute. Polly Pocket. And let's see what's in here. Cute. Very tiny accessories. A hamburger. A drink. And some French fries. These were $9.99 at Target. Let's put her in her car. Wait, there's like a little spot for a drink or something. I'm gonna give her some French fries. There we go.